Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times and you're watching the quick unboxing and hands-on with the OPPO Enco W31. These are the true wireless headphones from OPPO India and these are priced at 4,000 rupees with the 7mm dynamic driver, Bluetooth 5.0, dual mic noise cancellation and a dedicated bass mode and the touch controls with the IP54 certification for the earbuds. So this is the design of the OPPO Enco W31. There's also an M31 which is the neck band or the sports band, while this one is the true wireless solution from OPPO. And you can see here it comes with the binaural simultaneous Bluetooth transmission, which is together from the earbuds and then connected to the smartphone. Then there's a dedicated bass mode which you can opt to go to, and usually when you listen to the music you want the bass mode to be active, so you can do that. And then there's this dual microphone noise cancellation during calls, wear reduction is there with the sensors, intuitive touch control and IP54 rated water and dust resistance. So though the price given here is 5,999, the actual price is 3,999, and this is the box package that you see here. Now let's unbox this, check out the box contents and then connect it to a smartphone to let you know about the features that are offered here. So while we unbox this, let's talk about the battery as well. This is supposed to get about 3.5 hours of battery life for the individual earbuds, while with the case the total battery life is said to be about 15 hours, and that is tested with 50% of volume and not on full volume. So, and obviously the battery life is going to be affected based on how much volume you are listening to and how many hours of continuous usage it's going to be. And the earbuds take about 2.5 hours to charge themselves inside the case. And again with the audio output or whatever the internals are, it's a 7mm dynamic driver, and along with that you have a dual TPU composite graphene diaphragm, and this is the case for the OPPO Enco W31. A pretty beautiful looking case with the glossy logo over a matte finished case exterior. And on the back as well, it looks like a pebble or a circular flat stone, and towards the bottom or the back of it there's the Microusb port, and you have nothing else on this. It looks pretty sleek and good, and it's a bit heavy, and that might be because of the heavy battery there. And heavy, I'm saying this in comparison to most of the other earbuds that I have used, and this come with the cover that you need to remove. And now you have this charging status or the connecting status as well, and a single button to press for the connection, and the stem actually looks pretty flat and thin. So once you pull this out, it's not circular and it's not flat, it's a bit curved, the stem is, and the earbud as well looks pretty good in the design. And you can compare this with some of the market leaders like the Apple AirPods Pro, because it has the in-ear option, in-ear earbuds. Along with that you have the stem for the battery, and it would also help in stabilizing that inside the ear. So this is the black option. There's also a white one where you have the white case as well as the white earbuds. So this is how these look, the left and right earbuds, and you obviously might be getting the extra set of ear tips inside the box. Let's check that out as well. So firstly what you have here are the booklets, a quick start guide and also the warranty card. So everything is neatly placed and organized inside this one, but let's still check out what else comes in the box package. So as said, there are two pairs of extra ear tips for users with different ear canal sizes. And finally you have a USB Type-C port as well. So I might have been wrong about the port that was present inside on the back of the case. So it's the USB Type-C port and not the Microusb one. It's the USB Type-C, which is thankfully good. So you have the latest Type-C connectivity here, and the good thing is that most of the smartphones now are with USB Type-C cables, so you don't have to carry an extra cable here. It's a single cable that will help in connecting or charging the case here. Now let's try to connect this with the smartphone. If we activate Bluetooth, and this is for the first time since I'm connecting, even I don't know how it would connect, so that would be interesting to see how you're trying to connect these. Now it's already available, so once you take them out it would start pairing, and you have the OPPO Enco W31 given here. and it's trying to pair with them, and you get that pair request on the smartphone. So current device supports AAC codec. However, AAC may fail to play sound due to compatibility issues. Your device switch to SBC codec automatically. This is not because of the headphone earbuds, it's because of the smartphone's compatibility, and that's why it might not be able to play AAC and it might play SBC. SBC is the basic one that you get in every smartphone. So this also depends on the smartphone, whether the smartphone has that codec support or not. Here, if you go into this, you have the AAC option, and AAC may fail to play sound due to compatibility issues. You can turn this feature off in the settings. You can turn this off, but I'm keeping it on. It doesn't matter anyway. I'm not going to play any music here, but I'll have to see which smartphones would actually be playing this music with the AAC codec. And this one right now, if you turn this off, it would transfer the content or music through the SBC codec, which is the basic one. And the other thing about this is that it has the quick pairing option with the ColorOS 7.0 and not the other ones. So smartphones, the OPPO smartphones with the ColorOS 7.0, the latest one, will have the quick pairing option, which is similar to most of the other earbuds with their compatible smartphones. Quick pairing is not possible on every smartphone or OS, so it's obvious. And this earbuds are compatible with both Android and iOS. So there's wear detection with the sensor that is given here. If you can check it out, the reflective area here, that's the sensor which would help understand whether you're wearing these or not. So as soon as you pull this out from your ear, it would pause the music that is being played, and when you place them back it would automatically start playing the music. There are two microphones, one is here and the other one is on the other side. So these two microphones are what are going to help in the dual mic noise cancellation or the environmental noise cancellation, and there's also the anti-wind noise chamber which would further help in that noise cancellation during calls. So this is the pair of earbuds from OPPO, the OPPO Enco W31. We'll be doing a full review and comparison with the likes of Realme Buds Air and the Mi True Wireless earphones too, because we have them, and I thought it's almost the same price range. The Mi True Wireless earphones are priced at 4,500, while the Realme Buds are priced at 4,000 rupees, which is the same price as the OPPO Enco W31. So stay tuned for those comparisons. For now, that's it in this unboxing and the quick pairing setup of the Enco W31. I hope you like this video. If you do share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.